Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through how to use Facebook Ads Manager to plan, create and optimize high performing ad campaigns. I will guide you step by step through setting objectives, defining your audience, choosing the right placements and tracking results with precision. Whether you are promoting a business, building brand awareness or driving conversations, this tutorial will help you understand Ads Manager like a professional and make your campaigns more effective. Right now I'm at the website of the Facebook Ads Manager, so I will just click on this here, go to Ads Manager. Okay, and then this kind of page will open in front of you. So this is basically the main interface of the Ads Manager account in the Facebook. So I will just accept all the terms and conditions. Okay, so I will mark it check, already marked check, and I'll just click on the accept button. Okay, so we are done here. Right now my ad account is restricted. I don't know why, but I will request a review. But for now I will show you how you can do all these settings. So in order to set up running ads, you have to add your payment method. You must have to create a Facebook page as well. Okay, so after doing all this setup, you will be able for creating the ads. But if you don't have a Facebook page, you can still run ads. Okay, so in order to run ads, you have to go to your campaigns. Okay, so I'll just campaigns, and in this section you can run any ad. You have to click on this create button. As you can see that the create button is right now off at my account because my account is restricted right now. Okay, when the if the account is not restricted, you can just select on this create button, and then you will be able to create a campaign, and you can also define your audiences from these sections. Okay, so I've just clicked on the audiences sections. When you run any ad, you will get a lot of audience in that ad, and then you customize your audience, keep on customizing audience, and then run ads according to your that audience. Okay, so that's up to you. First you have to create an ad for the reach. Okay, when you get good reach, then you have to customize your audience from that reach. Okay, so when you run a simple ad, then you will get audience, and here you can create a custom audience in which you select the people like the gender, their age, their interest, and you can also select the audience on the basis of their country sets as well. So that's how you can customize your audiences, and then you can run an ad. So in the next section here you will get an setting for the advertisement settings, like the timing and each and everything you will get here. And in the billing and payment section, you can attach your bank account or credit card for running those ads. So that was a short overview of the Facebook Ads Manager. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.